What is a helping verb and why should you care? I'm going to give you 6 examples of helping verbs. A helping verb goes before a regular action verb. Helping verbs create different verb tenses. Okay, in this example, you can see that are and am are the helping verbs. Am goes before playing and are goes before doing.
Jake, what are you doing?
I am playing with my Legos.
Okay, in the second example, did goes before finish and have goes before finished.
Mom, have you finished Aunt Susie's scrub cap?
No, I have not finished yet.
In example 3, lady, would you like another scoop? And then she replies with, yes, I would. And would goes before another.
Lady, would you like another scoop of dog food?
Yes, I will.
Example 4. There are different helping verbs, but they're helping verbs that are used with other helping verbs. So, Tommy, what did you have to do yesterday? Did, have, and do are all helping verbs. But the helping verb in this sentence is, did you have to go to work? What did you have to do yesterday? So did is the helping verb. And in his reply, I had to go to work, had describes his work.
Tommy, what did you have to do yesterday? I had to go to work.
In example 5, I asked my dad if he could buy Little Debbie's. And can goes before buy, and can goes before buy in his reply as well.
Dad, can you buy some Little Debbie's?
Yes, I can buy some Little Debbie's.
And in our last example, example number 6, can goes before trick, and he replies with can not do a trick.
Sylvester, can you do a trick?
No, I cannot.
And here are the 23 helping verbs.
What are the 23 helping verbs?
They are is, am, are, was, were, be, being, been, have, has, had, do, does, did, can, could, shall, should, will, would, may, might, must.